The CIOPORA Academy is global. We bring international and country-specific perspectives on IP to your corner of the world.
So there's a big difference between the US and the rest of the world when it comes to plant intellectual property, and it can be difficult for a company in the US to really go global. The CIOPORA Academy has helped Fall Creek Farm and Nursery really optimize our intellectual property strategy and make the most of our professionals everywhere.
Inclusive. Our workshops are open to everyone who works in horticulture and seeks to stay up to date on IP for plants.
Knowledge on intellectual property empowers fruit breeders for the success in the global horticulture. The CIOPORA Academy provides those of us involved in the fruit breeding with the necessary tools to succeed in business, teaches us to avoid legal and regulatory pitfalls, and provides us with regular updates on plant breeders' rights on an international level.
Rewarding. We help you become a better IP strategist for your company with the CIOPORA Academy Competence, Advanced and Master levels.
I think there could be no innovation without an effective IP protection, and as far as I know, the CIOPORA Academy is the only program specialized in intellectual property related to plant innovations and having a network of the world's leading experts in this field.
Social. At our events, we combine learning and networking and facilitate professional exchange.
Participating in the CIOPORA Academy is not only an efficient way to stay updated on the procedures related to plant variety rights, it's also a great opportunity to consult with experts in different IP fields and to exchange tips with other breeders and lawyer colleagues. So all in all, I'd say that the CIOPORA Academy is just an invaluable tool for promoting our business.
All players for horticultural need to understand the breeding legal framework to work together and create synergies. The CIOPORA Academy could truly work as an academic reference for intellectual property for growers, breeders, and trade.
The CIOPORA Academy is the education program on IP for plants by CIOPORA, the international community of breeders of asexually reproduced ornamental and fruit plants. Find information about the upcoming IP workshops at www.ciopora-academy.org.